Hello everyone, this is Marcel Clark, Chief Group Executive with Millennium Strategic Investments. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about making the offer. Yes, this is a very intimidating part of the process. However, if you get it correctly, you can land your very first property. So let's talk about 5 very important things that you really need to take into consideration. Number 1, make sure that you put up your best offer. There's going to be a number of people that are going to be very competitive. You want to make sure that you have the best offer on the table. Number 2, make sure you have an escalation clause, meaning that if, let's just say the property is $100,000, you want to have an escalation clause up to 105. You know why? Because just in case somebody slightly outbids you, you'll still be in the race. So the escalation clause is very important for a lot of different reasons, but you want to be competitive, so make sure that you have that in your contract. Number 3, cash is king, okay? If in fact you really want to close the deal, put up a cash offer. You know why? Because it takes financing out of play. So sellers love when you know that they're going to get cash at the end of the deal. They don't have to worry about if you're going to be able to get financing through your bank, and they know on the closing date, the deal is going to go through with no problems. Number 4, always waive the inspection contingency unless the property has water issues. You know why? Because if you visited that property beforehand, you should have your contractor with you. He should be able to take a look at the situation. He should let you know what the rehab number is. Therefore, unless there's water damage and mold, pretty much you're not going to find anything else at closing. So when you take that contingency off the table, it's another thing that makes the seller feel comfortable. They don't feel like you're going to back out of the process during the middle of the deal. So just waive the contingency altogether. And lastly, pay the seller's closing. Okay, if you pay the seller's closing costs, that is a beautiful landing. Okay, because they know that that's money that they're not going to have to pay out of pocket. So if you offer to pay their closing costs, then that's another perfect way to be really attracted to them when they're looking at your bid. So those are my top 5 things that I think you should really be aware of. So if you like what you heard and you want to learn more about our organization, please visit us at msiinvestments.net or msiwealth.net. In between now and the next time we talk, be a smart investor.